Alright guys, today we're up in Tigre on the river delta. It'll be a little bit of a walk around over here at Puerto de los Frutos, fruit port. And we're gonna go take a look around, see what they got. Might be a little different video today, not as much demographics. But we got this restaurant named after me, El Guapo del Puerto. We'll take a look at some of these little shops they got up here. It's great for a little day trip out of Buenos Aires. We took an Uber up here, but there is a train we might try to take back. Or I guess if you had a boat, you could boat up here. Lots of places to pop off in this little market area. Park your boat, tie up. And they are selling a little bit of everything here, guys. This shop here is advertising 40% off if you pay with cash. 40% off efectivo. That's a huge discount. You're going to find all kinds of goods here. Some pop culture looking stuff over there. Home goods. Really quiet today, a lot calmer than I thought it'd be up here. I'm sure on the weekends it gets really popping. Did just eat here at Loca Smash Burger. Pretty freaking delicious, about 10 bucks for the double burg. Get you a mate cup. They got plant stores, they got it all up here, guys. If you want to come up to Tigre, get you some goods. Seen some woodworking over here. Looks like they had some pretty good prices. Some of that stuff. So if you're coming to Buenos Aires, I would suggest a little trip up to Tigre. Check it out. Fruit market at the fruit port. Makes sense. A lot of churros up here. I have to grab one of those after we complete this video. Still a little hungry after that double burg. Split it with Marie. Here we got this little channel here that they've got. Markets on either side of it. As you can see, you pull up, tie off your boat, pop out. You can go right down to the river. I mean, it is a river. Definitely brown water. Now let's shoot down here, see what Yosemite Sam's up to. Go down this way. Down. "40 years. Tons of restaurants here. Here's no discount. 20% off, you pay with cash. If you want to pick you up a rocking chair. First time up in Tigre. Guess we need to swing back by here, show off this umbrella street. That's fun. So what do you guys think of Tigre? Would you come up here if you were visiting BA or what? Tons of little shops, restaurants. I mean, there's just tons of shops here, guys. Shops for days. Oh, we got this cute dog over here. What's up, buddy? It's the new star of the video. There's a hundy spot right there. Another dog. Guess you need to get you a stall. They got some open ones. An open little shop up at Tigre. Fountain without water. You pump some of that river water in and let people have at it. Walk over here, take a look at the river, and then call it for the day. If you watched it this far, you might as well hit that like button and subscribe. Keep up with these videos we're going throughout Argentina and the rest of the world. Did not see any capybaras up here, or carpinchos. That's going to be the next go. Try and see some wildlife in the next video. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.